Hello po, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay March 30, 2023, Thursday. Bukas po ay March 31, month end na po, no? Bilis ng panahon. At sa linggo ay Holy Week na po. So, mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa Thursday edition of the stock market today. Meron po tayong special report tungkol sa Cebu Pacific at nickel. Ako po si Benji Chadoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-30 ng Marso, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating headlines po ay matatagpuan po sa summary ng BDO Securities. BSP says monetary tightening won't risk financial stability. DNL post record 2022 earnings. So tingnan po natin ang DNL mamaya. DMC declares 72 centavos per share cash dividends. Good news ito sa mga holders ng DMC. JGS reports core net income of 6.2 billion in 2022. Not so good news po ito. And then MER secures 1-year emergency power supply deal with SPPC. Ito po yung South Premier Power Corp ng San Miguel. Okay, ang ating main news ay nandito po sa summary ng BDO, no? Ito po, nasa Business World po siya, but I'll be reading the summary from BDO Securities. DNL reported a fourth quarter net income of 777 million, bringing the 2022 profit tally to a record 3.3 billion. The company's three biggest segments drove earnings performance led by Shamri's business. Ito po yung oleochemicals, coconut oil exports at 1.4 billion pesos, followed by food ingredients and specialty plastics at 760 million. 2022 revenues jumped 41% to 43.5 billion on the back of strong consumer spending, wider economic reopening, and continued growth of the export segment despite global macroeconomic headwinds. Gross profit margin contracted 84 basis points to 13.9% in 2022, but drastically improved to 17.2% in the fourth quarter due to favorable sales mix and stabilizing commodity prices. So DNL's 2022 results can sustain double-digit earnings, sabi po ng commentary ni BDO Sec. Double-digit earnings growth considering its cost pass-through business model, continued economic reopening and recovery of tourism and hotel restaurant industries. We keep our buy rating and DCF based target price of 950. Yan po ang ating main news, and we have a special report here. First on Cebu Pacific, which has an upgrade to buy. So dati po I think this is neutral, but now it's upgraded to a buy. So narrowed losses on east travel restrictions, and the sub-headline is Clearer Skies Ahead. Yan. steep recovery in passenger traffic, fleet expansion to support growth. Action valuation upgrade to buy, target price raised to 52 or an upside of a 29.3% increase. Yan po si Cebu Pacific. And silipin lang po natin si Cebu Pac, although hindi po ito yan, no? Meron po siyang green engulfing. Actually, it's a breakout eh. Breakout po siya and it's now bullish. RSI is at 5880 and clearly this is a breakout, the highest since March 7. So nagkaroon po siya ng dive dito. And right now, it is at 4150 dahil meron pong volume ang transactions today, which is a good sign and a sign of a breakout actually. Okay, balik po tayo dito. And then Nickel Asia, there is a reiterate buy with higher power revenues mitigating softer nickel prices. So flattish 2022 earnings due to lower ore shipments, tempered outlook on nickel prices promising Pujada mine prospects, pipeline renewable energy projects to support growth. Ito, meron po siyang subsidiary, Emerging Power Inc., delivered higher generation volumes. Action valuation maintained by, target price raised to 810 from 670 with an implied upside of about 27%. So yan po ang ating mga special report on nickel and SEB and DNL. So let's take a look at your comments. Si Danielo Daguna, Sir, paki naman po pwede pa-review si MPI, SECB, Home, and LTG. Salamat po. Okay po. Gawin po natin yan. And now let's take a look at the index. The index inched up. So it's not actually a great increase. It's 13.78. But in the past week or 2 weeks ay unti-unti pong umaakyat ang ating index, though it's flattish, no? Flattish, but the gains are there, 0.21% lang, no? Nasa 6644.75. Samantalang ang ating market activity, 98 companies advanced, 72 declines, 53 unchanged. All share index is up 0.26%. The sectoral indices are up, but it is near flattish also, except for properties which lost. And hindi po nag 1% yung mga sectoral indices po. Wala pong 1% ang increase. The highest is 0.81, but properties fell 0.84. So flattish po ang resulta. Yeah. Most active stock is SPNEC at 1.77, followed by BDO, SM, ICT, and Ali. Yan po yung top 5. Samantala, we will be reviewing the following. Galing po to kay Danielo. It's MPI, SECB, Home, LTG, and DNL, one of the stocks which gained today. Okay, una po ay si MPI, Metro Pacific. Metro Pacific, bumaba po siya ng konti. Bahagya lang po ang baba. There is a red candlestick here. Fell 7 centavos only. Nasa 378. Actually, nandito na po siya. Sa 450, 460, pero bumaba po siya. And now, it appears to be recovering at fell to a support level here. Ito yung support level niya. Nasa 360 po ang pinaka-support. So kaya po siya merong bounce dyan. And the RSI is near oversold noong March 23 at 30.71. So if this trend will continue, then we may see a sideways to bullish action in the coming days, though bumaba po siya ng 7 centavos. At fundamentally, Metro Pacific, let's check kung meron po siyang, yes, there is a buy rating. Bumaba po yung kanyang target price, nasa 560 po, or a 45.5% upside. Mega wide is one of the highest, 93.4% upside po. Magkatabi lang po kasi sila. Mega World is also up 74% upside. So yan po si Metro Pacific, and one of the better stocks, or the stocks most active and high yielding company with a high dividend yield last year. Okay, SECB naman. SECB ay, yan, meron po siyang bounce. Though this is not a breakout, but a bounce. Hindi naman siya green engulfing. Just a normal green candlestick, no? But the trend is still going down, no? Trend is downwards pa. So RSI nasa bearish mode as a 42. It's bearish movement with near support level. Nandito po siya. Pinaka-support niya nandito po. Nasa 87.41. Meron po siyang dividends with a dividend yield of 1.65. Payment date is April 28. Ex-date is April 11. Yan. Now, fundamentally, meron ba si SECB dito? Tignan natin. SECB, meron po siyang buy rating with a target price of 118 or a target price of about 31%. So, yan po siya with resistance nandito somewhere here. Malapit lang po siya dito. Nasa 98 to 100 po ang resistance level ni SECB, no? Support and resistance, di po yan exact points, areas po siya. Then SEB, or Home rather, si Home, bearish po si Home. Maliliit lang po yung kanyang movements during the day. Halos wala siyang tinatrade. Although meron siyang net foreign buying. So nasa 248 po siya, and just moving sideways. Yung lower support po nandito. Nasa 149 to 150. While the next higher resistance, actually nandito yung higher resistance niya. Nasa 434, but the lower one would be somewhere here. Mga nasa 3. Yan, 3 pesos po to 320. More or less, nagkaroon po siya ng oversold level dito. Or overbought rather. Overbought po siya noong February 2 and February 13 rather. So right now, moving sideways lang po si Home. Not much activity here for Home, but gained 10 centavos today, or 1 centavo today, to end at 248. And then, si LTG naman. LTG, nagbigay ito ng dividendo Yan. Okay, just moving sideways to bearish po siya. Kasi yung medium and long term, nasa taas na po ng closing price Nasa 995 po yung closing price niya. But it gained 3 centavos. But the earnings report, hindi ko lang makita, but yan po, no? Yan po yung earnings report niya ay yan, up 47%. Yung annual 2022 earnings po. At yung dividends niya is payable, tapos na ito March 17. So nagkaroon po siya ng overbought level here in January at nung January 27. So it's well, just moving sideways to bearish po ang kanyang movement. Ngayon po, let's place the support at MA100 nasa 972, whereas the resistance 1038, more or less. Then si DNL naman, DNL, yan, green. Hindi po siya breakout pero meron po siyang green engulfing candlestick, successive yesterday and today, no? Successive days. The green engulfing, probably because of the earnings report. So yung, bakit second quarter to? Late na siya, September 30. Late yata yung kanyang earnings report here. Second quarter and third quarter, dapat may fourth quarter na ito eh. Ayan, ngayon lang lumabas yung kanyang earnings report. But, gain po siya, no? Then, support is here. Nasa 760, but fundamentally, check natin yung fundamentals nito. DNL. Mga ano ito eh, mga food ingredients po ito eh. Sa baking and cooking, yan po. So, meron po siyang target price na 950 and with yesterday's prices at 787, may upside pa siya na 21%. Okay po, yan po ang ating report sa market March 30, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chadoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.